Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something really fun and super useful, personality traits. These are the words we use to describe what people are like. And guess what? By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe yourself and your friends in English like a pro. Part 1. Positive traits. Let's start with the nice ones. Laid back, relaxed, chilled, never stressed. Optimistic, always sees the bright side. Outgoing, loves talking and making friends. Passionate, really cares a lot about something. Polite, always says please and thank you. Shy, a little quiet, doesn't talk much. Intelligent, very smart, full of ideas. Confident, believes in themselves. Honest, tells the truth. Supportive, helps friends when they need it. Reliable, you can trust them to do what they say. Talented, good at something special, like singing or drawing. Considerate, thinks about other people's feelings. Approachable, easy to talk to. Friendly, kind and welcoming. Talkative, loves to talk. Enthusiastic, super excited about things. Serious, doesn't joke much, focused. Assertive, confident in speaking their mind. Caring, looks after others. Sensitive, easily moved by feelings. Reasonable, fair and logical. Kind, nice to others. Mature, acts responsibly, not childish. Cautious, careful, thinks before acting. Generous, loves sharing. Brave, not afraid of challenges. Funny, makes people laugh. Patient, can wait calmly. Part 2, Negative Traits. Now, let's be real. Not every trait is awesome. Some are a little annoying. Rude, no manners. Selfish, doesn't want to share. Nervous, worried or scared easily. Silly, acts foolish, not serious. Dishonest, tells lies. Unreliable, can't be trusted to finish something. Arrogant, thinks they're better than everyone. Unapproachable, hard to talk to. Unfriendly, not nice, cold. Critical, always finding mistakes. Insensitive, doesn't care about others' feelings. Unreasonable, doesn't make sense, unfair. Unkind, not nice. Secretive, keeps too many secrets. Immature, acts childish. Mean, enjoys being unkind. Impatient, can't wait, gets angry fast. Lazy, doesn't want to do anything. Do you know someone who's lazy? Don't say their name out loud. They might be sitting right next to you on the sofa. And finally, some traits are just different or interesting. Eccentric, a little unusual, maybe dresses funny. Impulsive, does things suddenly without thinking. Nice. Now you're practicing English and learning about yourself. So, today we learned more than 50 personality traits in English. That's huge. Some were positive, some were negative, and some were just funny or unusual. But they're all super useful when you want to describe people. Write one sentence about yourself in the comments using any of these traits. For example,